A cylindrical vessel with a diameter of 1.5 meters and a height of 4 meters rotates about its vertical axis at a speed of 100 RPM. Determine the maximum depth of water that can be contained without causing spillage. So, nakatingin tayo sa side view ng tank, no? Let's say ito yung water. The diameter of the cylinder is 1.5 meters. And the height of the cylinder is 4 meters. Ang yung hinahanap is yung depth ng water so that walang spillage at 100 RPM. Okay? So, tawagin ko tong D. Now, papaikutin daw sa dito about the axis. So, the radius will be half of 1.5. You get 0.75. When rotated, kung pinaikot na siya, yung water natin, yung water level natin will be in a parabolic form, no? Ito yung mangyari, parabolic. Para walang spillage, dapat yung parabola up to dito lang. Sagad lang sa dito. Okay? Sasagad lang sa dyan. Now, ito yung initial line ng water nung hindi pa siya pinaikot. Now, meron tayong formula sa height ng paraboloid. That is height of paraboloid y. Now, yung characteristic nga ito, kung wala lang spillage and it is more than half full, the characteristic is that kung y yan, ito yung initial water level, no? Kung ano yung iaangat, yan din yung ibababa dyan. Characteristic ko yan. So, this is y. This is y over 2. Ito yung y over 2 rin niya. Ganun talaga yan parati. Okay? Unless kung yung water level natin is less than half full. So, nasa baba siya, hindi na yan magiging ganyan. For this type of question na pinapahanap yung maximum depth, ganito talaga yung magiging test. So, makikita natin dito is that yung depth ng water, the maximum depth of water will be the height of the tank minus y over 2. Itong graph dito, that one, is just y over 2. 4 meters minus d equals the depth of water. Where d is y over 2. So, kailangan pala natin kunin yung y, the height ng paraboloid, which is meron tayong formula. So, nadadaan tayo sa omega. Revolution per minute, i-convert natin to radians per second. So, yung shortcut niyan, i-multiply mo lang yan ng pi over 30. Pati yun yung conversion ng galing dito, no? In every 1 revolution, 2 pi radians. Convert minute to seconds. In every 1 minute, 60 seconds. Kaya, 2 over 60 is 1 over 30. Maya dyan, pi over 30. Yung omega dapat naka-radians per second. And yung formula ng y, yung height ng paraboloid, in general, is omega squared x squared over 2g. For x, here is the radius of radius of our cylinder. Okay, omega, x is 0.75, gravity is 9.81, so the value of y is 3.144 meter. Okay, so as you can see that, equate na ko yung 4 is equals to depth ng water initially plus the draft. Or the sum of this is equals to the height. Okay, where yung drop ng water is, or height ng air is y over 2 for this condition. So therefore, mangyari dyan, 4 equals, ito yung tanong, that is y over 2. Where y is 3.144. So the maximum depth of water so that mag-prevent yung spillage is 2.428 meter.